Now, uh, today we will only discuss about assertive sentence. How can we form the assertive sentence? After uh, giving some examples, we will be cleared. Okay, dear students, take write down some sentences, and uh, we will be cleared then. He writes a letter. Okay, write down. He writes a letter. This is present indefinite tense, and the object of this sentence, a letter. A letter, according to tense, present indefinite tense, in passive form we should take am is are. So, according to subject, that means a letter. A letter takes is. A letter is the past participle form of the main verb. Main verb writes. That is why the past participle form is written. So a letter is written by, and the objective form of the subject of the active voice, him. So he writes a letter. If we turn into passive, a letter is written by him. Understand? Okay, dear students, now another example. They have finished the work. They have finished the work. Okay, firstly you should find out the object. You know that how to find out the object. In my second class, second session, I also taught you. If we find out the object, again I am telling you, if we find out the object, uh, we have to question into to verb. We have to question to verb what and whom. So they have finished the work. The have finished. This is present perfect, present perfect tense, and have finished. According to structure of present perfect tense, subject have or has, the past participle of the main verb. Okay, so the work is here object. So according to rules of changing, according to rules for changing the active voice into passive, we can take the work object has been used as subject into passive form. Have been or has been present perfect, we use has been finished, and then take by and the objective form of them. So they have finished the work. It's passive. The work has been finished by them. Okay, dear students, we uh, can also use another example. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. This is present continuous tense, and the object of this sentence, the plants. The plants, okay, the plants, according to structure, the plants take auxiliary verb are. The plants are being. This is continuous, so we should use am being, is being, are being. So the plants are being watered. Water is verb. Water has been used as verb in this sentence, present continuous. So water, the participle, past participle form of water, watered. So the plants are being watered by her. Okay, understand? Yes. uh, Next example, we can uh, they are going to make a new club. They are going to make a new club. Actually this is the form of continuous, but it is called present indicating future. That means they are going to make a club uh, the next week, the next month, or the next year, etc. So This is called indicating future, present indicating future. The structure is present continuous, but it indicates future. So in this sentence, according to structure, according to rules of changing voice, we first find out the object. Okay, dear students, they are going to make a club. What a club? A club is here object, so we can use a club. A club is going to be made. That means this is not continuous. That is why we cannot use am being, is being, are being. So a club is going to be made by them, the next week or next month or next year, etc. Okay, understand? And when you find this type of sentence, am going to, is going to, are going to, you remember that this is not continuous. This is present indicating future, and you have to take this am going to be, is going to be, are going to be according to subject in the passive form. Okay, dear students, today uh, I am giving you another example, and I will finish my lecture, and next time I will discuss the remaining sentence. That means I have already uh, given you some examples of assertive sentence, and now I just uh, will give you one sentence. Okay, dear students, you can do it easily. You can do it easily. Here, it object, and if you find can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, this is auxiliary verb, and uh, according to uh, object, that means when the object turn into subject, into passive form, the auxiliary verb will be remain, and you have to use be and the past participle of the main verb. So